Hey, 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 here we are with a project, Pocket Life page, all citrus twist, almost all citrus twist. Um, this actual piece of paper right here is just from my stash. It is the dreaded strip on the side. You'll notice the last couple ones I've done of pocket pages, citrus twist, showing you citrus twist, have been with these strips because I'm trying to get them used up. Okay, so anyway, but I do bring in a few sprinklies and an alpha set and one stamp set. It's a still citrus twist, both the alpha set and the stamp set, but the sprinklies are not. I do use up the rest of those stars though. So anyway, my idea with this strip was I don't ever take pictures by like the hour, but there's a whole bunch of timestamp stickers here, as well as day stickers. So the main theme of these pocket pages here are my kids and their outside goings-ons. Oh, and I'm bringing my stapler here. But it's my two middle children, actually. Two middle. Does that make sense? Anyway, so my thought process is, because that sticker says not enough hours in a day, that hexagon, I think that's hexagon, says not enough hours in the day. So my thought process was use all the time stickers and all the day stickers on one strip of paper, and I think it turned out kind of cute, honestly. Not to pat myself on the back, but I was not mad at how it turned out. So this strip of paper, I was just going through my little stash of gobs of scrap paper, and I pulled this out just because at the time I was like, oh, it matches. It really doesn't match, but here we are. And it was semi thick enough for me to just fold in half, so that's what I did. And I taped it. And then I was like, boom, done. And that's really what I was just trying to be done with it. So I do sprinkle these hearts a little bit here and there. And I actually forget to bring in some of the sprinkles, and I'm like while I'm doing this, I'm thinking, man, I'm missing something. And then I remember, I forgot to bring in, like extra sprinklies. So, but I don't think it turns out too bad. So we push that to the side and move on. Excuse me. Anyway, this is my son at one of his special, no, not Special Olympics. This is actually, I think this was just like a field day type of event thing. And that is his father next to him on the right side there. And I realized to date, I have really slacked on the not tag making, but the tags with no string attached to them. And boy, does it make a difference. Let me tell you. Yeah, let me tell you. They look pretty awesome with the little stringies. So, note to self, add string. And I just do some word stickers. And the next one, I'm going to tell you, I think I forgot about the sprinkles until the third panel in. So I go back and then I sprinkle, but you'll see. Oh, this is where I bring in the extra stamp set because I had, oh no, I don't. I put play on this one. Gosh, I don't remember. I thought I brought another stamp set in. We'll see. That's just me testing it out. Gotta make sure it stamps pretty. Flip. Go stamp, go stamp. And we Put it down. I'm not gonna lie, later on that thing ended up looking dirty. I don't know if I smushed it like with my finger when I wiped it across too early. I don't know. And then I ended up not liking how lined up those look, so I have to add a heart. Make it look like it was on purpose. I use up most of these. Oh, excuse me, I had a star. I use up most of these glitter stars too. I have a few left. I try to, if I don't use them all, I try to leave enough so that I can do a cluster with them though. You know, like on a page, have a like 3 or 5, something. I always struggle with my doodly borders because I just don't think I do them cute. I don't know. I struggle with the zigzag line. It just doesn't look right to me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It looks more like a wave, not a zigzag. This is my daughter and her principal, which I probably should have covered his face up. There's another picture of her and all her troop. Probably should have covered their faces up. Did not. Please forgive me. Anyway, this was at one of her football games when she first started cheerleading. And the idea behind this was, well, you'll see on the title card what the idea was. But these 2 side cards here are busier than the middle 3 cards, but they're tinier pictures. And at one point, I went through my card, like my pictures, and I cut them all down to size, and I kind of placed them in, I had like 3 photo holder tubs, and then I had like my Project Life pages, and I kind of just placed them all in there, or either in the tubs for what I wanted to do with it, like 12 by 12 layout, 8.5 by 11, or a traveler's notebook. Or either I put them into the Pocket Life page that I was wanting to do them in, and so this was one of those pages that I had pre-set up that I cannot wait to be done with. Because another gripe that I have with these pages is that the way you put them in is from the side, which then when you move the page around, if you preset it up, the stuff falls out. So not cool. It's okay though, lesson learned. It's okay. That's the biggest thing for me, as long as this lesson was learned. Yeah. That's another one of my little man and his daddy. And I really thought I was good at taking this picture because Gabriel does not move. He's my son. He's the second to youngest. No. Oh gosh, I got that all wrong. He's the youngest, actually. I'm sorry, that's what 4 kids will do to you. He's the youngest. Oh, I think this is where I bring in the other stamp set. Nope. Nope. This one's in the stamp set with the kit too. You just call me can't get right today. Anyway, Gabriel is, they say because he has a weak core. I say it's because he's lazy. But in all honesty, he could benefit from some more exercising to give him some more strength, core training, I should call it. Unfortunately, he has two of the laziest parents alive. So he comes by it honestly. Laziest in as far as working out, not necessarily work ethic. We're pretty hard working people, but is this where I? No. Still, nope. Okay, I still don't do the title card. Maybe it's on the title card. That's the doggone 5th card. When I realized I didn't have any sprinkles yet. That's bad. Anyway, this is this one I actually lay down, pull it back up, and there's a big old scratch across the card. But then I strategically placed the arrow across it. Is this where I bring in the other stamp set? Dun dun dun. And this one, I tried to put everything as perfectly straight as I could, because I also put a sticker on here that says perfectly imperfect, and I thought, how ironic to have everything as straight as possible on the one that says perfectly imperfect. Bet you didn't think I could put a sticker down straight, did ya? And oh, that's right, I put that other tag away because I couldn't think of what to stamp on there, so I said, forget it. Because this kit came with a million, oh, here we go with the sprinklies. A million tiny word stickers, which I love, so I think we all do. It's unwritten rule. Here we go, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I do use up them stars that I purchased off Wish, thank goodness, because they were just popping off everywhere, annoying the crap out of me. And then with my title card, I do something a little bit different. And I don't know. I've seen it on somebody else's page, I'm sure. It's because I'm not an original person by no means. But I brought in a different alpha set from another Citrus Twist kit. And I used one from this set. But I think it turned out okay. I don't know. I don't think it looked too bad, but I didn't have any E's for the blue, and I was already like in it to win it, so, but I don't know. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if nothing else, you enjoyed my pictures. I'll see you next time though. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And, you know, don't work too hard. Get some crafty time in, my friends. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys next time. Y'all have a great rest of your week. Bye.